Shallow inbounds to Kiki, who cut free. 2 points easy, Kiki drive to the rack. He is on a 2-point attack. Shallow running the floor, loads up for a 3. Ball drops and up comes the second hand of the referee. Kiki goes to free throw line. He made both free throws just fine. Kyrie drives to the rim. Teardrops 2 points on them. Carter starting to be bold, dropping 2 on 6th graders going to the hole. Shallow letting them know, as he drops 2 points, he has a one-of-a-kind flow. Shallow tells him, I'm not done yet. Referee, get that 3 ball when it passes through the net. KJ, the smallest one with the biggest heart on the floor, jump shooting his free throw, scorekeeper count that score. Shallow is imposing in his will. By now the opponent knows the deal. He can score the pill. Kiki banks in the free throw. Scorekeeper one more. Shallow on the line, dropping the ball, and for the defender's crime. Shallow again is on the move, dropping 2 points for the MJ gliding groove. Shallow drops another bucket while falling down. His game is all around. Shallow goes strong to the hole for 2. There's nothing the defender can do. Carter lines up straight on for the 3. Banks it into add difficulty. Put the second on the referee. Carter got the rebound and kicked it to Kiki, who was locked and loaded and knocked down the 3 that cut the deficit to 36 to 33. The time